it's Aaron, and today we're going to be going through the solution for the Hilbert curve. This puzzle is a level 8 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So we got Hilbert curve, we got the tray, we got all the pieces. They're all nicely where they need to be, and I'm going to be just putting them up here so that you can see them before I put them into the tray. Make sure to pay attention to very small details when you're finding your pieces to match up, because these puzzles have pieces that sometimes are very similar, but they have just like little nubs that are just a little bit different. So to begin with, let's get rid of this little guy. Probably been wondering where this goes, and it just sits in the corner. Get it off the way before we lose it in the couch. And let's start actually from the bottom. Don't mind me. Just the one piece I noticed on the one puzzle was two pieces and the laser just didn't totally cut it. So I was just curious, like on that little bit of floppy, but it's all being held together by that one post. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.